modern furniture production, every detail matters. A clean, sharp edge can make the difference between ordinary and premium quality. If you have been relying on manual edge banding or even on traditional straight edge banding machines, you know how time-consuming and limiting they can be. That is why the Holztek PRO-45AX3 automatic 45-degree edge banding machine is a real game changer. It combines trimming, gluing, cleaning, and automatic adjustments into one advanced solution designed to save time and deliver flawless aesthetics. When the panel is fed into the PRO-45AX3, the integrated 45-degree trimming unit immediately prepares the edge with perfect accuracy. Next, the automatic spray system cleans the edge to ensure strong adhesion. Then the glue pot applies the right amount of adhesive and the pressure rollers tightly bond the edge strip. The result is a perfect 45-degree or straight edge finish depending on your setup. All steps happen in one continuous flow, meaning no extra handling, no extra corrections, and no waste of time. Compared with manual edge banding, the PRO-45AX3 is faster, more precise, and requires no constant operator skill. The machine handles up to 18 meters per minute, while manual work may only achieve a fraction of that compared with standard straight edge banding machines. The PRO-45AX3 adds the ability to create beautiful 45-degree bevel edges, a feature in high demand for modern cabinet doors, drawer fronts, and stylish panel furniture. While many machines only support a single glue pot, this model includes dual glue pots, allowing you to switch between straight edge and 45-degree bevel edge instantly. Its automatic lubrication system extends the machine life far beyond basic machines that often suffer from wear and tear. The electric panel thickness adjustment ensures fast setup for different materials, eliminating trial and error and downtime in short wear. Other machines limit your creativity. This model opens new design possibilities while keeping production efficient.